Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. We have another C5 video, so please smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell, and buckle up, because we're about to get started. Alright everybody, the topic of today's video is bling, appearance mods for your C5. Whether you just bought a C5, or if you notice that, hey, I want to make this, pop a little bit better than it does. There's an area where most people they can't stand the appearance. So we're going to show that here, and we're going to show you what you can do and how easy it is. Okay, folks, you can see here, right by your exhaust tips, right in the middle there, is that area. And it's kind of bland. And most people will put something in here to cover that space up and make it a little better. We're going to do that, and we're going to show you what you need to do. It's pretty simple, though, so stay with us. Alright, folks, for the tools of the trade, you're only going to need a few things. You're going to need something to put on that spot. They call this the enhancement panel, if you will, or as Mid-America calls it, the exhaust filler plate. We did get this from Mid-America Motor Works in Effingham for a cost of $52. It's pretty standard for what these cost new. You might find one on various internet sites for cheaper used. What else you're going to need is, it comes with an alcohol pad, but I don't think that's going to do it. So I have some rubbing alcohol here to clean the surface, to prep it. And then microfiber towel. So we're going to start by cleaning that surface, and I'll show that in a minute. Stay tuned. So basically, you're just going to take some alcohol and on a rag and wipe primarily these four raised edges here. I did most of the work already, and I cleaned it up pretty good, but this is what you're going to want to do. Get this area nice and prepped for surface. What it then wants you to do is put the two sticky pieces on here after you test fit the panel, and then the other two sticky pieces on the panel, and then we're just going to press it on. So we'll show all that in a second here. Basically, folks, you're going to do a test fit. And you're going to want to make sure you know how to align it before you stick it, because once you stick it, you ain't going to get it off. So it's hard for me to actually show me aligning it and everything, but this is just what you're going to do. Then you'll pull it back, and then it says put two strips of adhesive here and the other two down here. And basically, the other two, for my test fit, you're going to put them almost at the very edges here. Instructions will show you too. So stay tuned. Okay, so now that's the two center strips. You'll do that. It's double-sided tape, and you'll just peel the backings off like such. Now we're going to go ahead and put the two strips on the outer edges here, and we'll just press it in place. Alright everybody, and that is the two strips mounted on the back sides on the edges as per the instructions. I determined I want to get them pretty close to the edge based on how it fit. Please let your eyes be the judge when you do this yourself. Is that exactly where you want these to be? Now we'll get back under the car. I will remove the backings, and we're going to press it into place. And I will show you that when it's completed. And stay tuned. And you're going to want to press firmly into place, and it's going to look something like that. So stay tuned for the next one, everyone. This is Corvette Dan. Thank you very much.